Alright, what's up YouTube? Go Trojan here doing another opening. When I got my mail, I did not notice this. It was my order. One of my orders from Amazon.com from gaming, etc. They said it'll be here between Wednesday and like next Monday. What do I got here today? My 2 super rare absolute zeros. Look like they're in good condition. And part of my hero deck. So I'm gonna open them up if I can. I'll just do it. Top loader case. They didn't put the cards in the top loader, but whatever. Okay. There we go. Smexy. So yeah, peace out. Still looking for the hero stuff. Gen Knight stuff. And I'm gonna wait on the ninja stuff until after the 10s. So yeah, peace out.